Hello everyone, it's Charlotte Alexa. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the Kylie Cosmetics Blue Honey Palette. I haven't opened it, so I'll be giving you my first impressions and a little tutorial. So I hope that you enjoy this video. If you do, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. They are always in the description box. Okay, so I zoomed you in a little bit because I felt like you were quite far away. My first impressions of the Kylie Cosmetics Blue Honey Palette. I have not opened this, but just like the texture of the packaging, it's kind of got like a pearl finish to it, which is really cool, and I think this packaging is the nicest out of all of the eyeshadows. Also on the back there is like this honey drip pattern that is embossed onto the packaging, and I thought this was like a really fun element. Now I'm going to open it up. Ooh, that's so cool. It's got a rose gold honeycomb pattern on. That's a really cute addition to the packaging. Usually they're just white inside. Taking it out of the box, you've got that iconic Kylie's eyes with the dripping eyeshadow colors. The ones on here are different shades of blue and rose gold. All of the names of the eyeshadows are on the back as usual. I forgot to say this, but I'm not wearing any eye makeup right now because I'm going to be using the palette, so if you were wondering. So I'm going to open it up now. I'm really excited. I've seen it on her Instagram and things, but I don't know, I've never had it in person. Oh my goodness, these colors are gorgeous. This is by far my favorite palette. All of these colors are absolutely stunning. I really like these shimmery metallic colors here, 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 and here. I'm really excited to try these three at the bottom. I think these are really my shades, and they actually match my lipstick that I'm wearing now. I'm admittedly a bit terrified of the blue, but opening it and seeing it, I think I'm going to try do a look with these colors and then incorporate this color here, which is blue honey, on the lower lash line. Before I begin, I just wanted to say that I already have all of my face makeup on, my highlights, everything. If you want to see how I did it, it's pretty much the same as what I do in my other makeup tutorials, so watch till the end and I'll leave a link to them at the end of this video or in the description box. The first color I'm going to go in with is this one here, which I think is Raw, and I'm going to take the fanned out side of this unbranded eyeshadow brush from Rite Aid Pharmacy. So immediately the first thing that I've noticed with this eyeshadow is there's very little fallout, which is great because as these colors are quite pigmented, I don't want them like all down my face. So I'm just going to take this and put it all over my eyelid, work it up into my crease and up to my brow bone. This works as a very nice transition shade. Then I'm going to go in with this color here, which is Busy Bee. Using this contour shadow brush from Rite Aid as well, I am going to take that and work it into the outer corner of my eye and going a bit up into my crease. Something that I've noticed with using those two eyeshadows is they blend so much better than the burgundy palette that I have. I think the formula for the Kylie Cosmetics eyeshadows has really improved because what I've noticed with the Christmas edition Naughty and Nice palettes as well as this Blue Honey one is the actual eyeshadows are a lot creamier and they blend really well. They were always great, but I feel like Kylie's improved her formula a lot, so I am very satisfied with that. The next color I'm going to use is Buzz Off. To apply this onto my eyelid, I am going to be using my Laura Mercier eye color brush, and all I'm going to do is I really want to try out these glittery colors to test out the pigmentation, so I'm just going to take it and pack it all over my eyelid. Buzz Off isn't as pigmented as the matte eyeshadows in this palette, but it is still really great as far as glittery metallic eyeshadows go, and also this blends seamlessly with the matte colors that I have used already. Now I'm going to take the color Honeymoon right here. I'm going to take the bigger side of the eyeshadow brush from Rite Aid that I was using earlier and put this on the outer corner of my eyelid, blending it in circular motions and working it a little bit into the crease, but not too much because I don't like it when like your crease eyeshadow is really dark. Also, comment down below if you'd like to see any other tutorials with the Kylie Cosmetics Blue Honey palette or any other palette that you'd like me to do a makeup tutorial with. I'm going to take the little short side of the dual eyeshadow brush, and dip it in the color Blue Honey, because it wouldn't be a Blue Honey makeup tutorial without using the shade. And I'm going to put this under my eye here and then blend it out a little bit. So now that the eyeshadow is done, the only thing left to do is put on mascara. For mascara, I will be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. If you want to see how I do it and any tips and tricks that I have for lengthening your eyelashes, then I will leave a link to my Rose Gold Peachy makeup tutorial down below. Okay, and now I've got my mascara on, so the look is complete. I really love this eyeshadow palette, and putting the Blue Honey color under my eye created sort of like a smoky blue effect, and I really like that. Overall, I'd say that the Kylie Cosmetics Blue Honey eyeshadow palette is amazing. The pigmentation is great, there is minimal fallout, and I really love the packaging, so I think I would recommend this 10 out of 10. So yeah, I would definitely recommend getting this. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Snapchat, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos on makeup, beauty, baking and fashion. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!